Good morning, everybody. This is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. My voice is coming back. I'm all happy about that, and I imagine you might be too if you listen to me on any kind of regular basis. But it is nice to have the beginning of May. All the flowers are out. It's a beautiful day here. Nice little bit of rain coming down, so it feels pretty nice. Anyway, U.S. stock futures are edging up a little bit before this manufacturing data. And it looks like we came off the best month of 9 years, and people are growing more and more optimistic about the economy, thinking it's near a turnaround. So this ISM number, they're thinking is going to support that belief. Economists predict that April index will be the smallest contraction since last October. Also, first day of May is going to bring factory orders, consumer sentiment, and vehicle sales. So there's a lot of numbers coming out. We'll pay careful attention to that. So careful, again, how you trade into news if you're trading intraday. Yesterday we talked a good bit about some things at noon, how the tick and the trend weren't making exact sense with regards to the VIX. There's always something to watch out for when those broad market internals don't match. And when that VIX was rising, I can back this up in time, you already know, of course. That was the rise we were seeing right into this, and I would rather have seen that low. So again, when you have a tiebreaker like that, and you see the trend, and the trend Q kind of forming any kind of pattern like this, that kind of looks like a high base almost, a couple higher swing lows, it's a good environment to be careful how you go long in. So kind of nice to have that in your camp. We're going to try to do the same thing today again going forward and understanding the broad market environment. So let's take a look at the S&P. Good size sell-off like we saw yesterday from the highs. Nice swing lows, double swing low. If you get more data up here, you can see how this market is gapping up this morning. Let me just grab some more data. So to scrunch it up, this is that double bottom we saw here at the close. Kind of went a little bit lower after hours, and then this morning it gapped up. But look where it gapped up to. Just a very, very modest movement back up. So again, this is a great resistance area. Could have drawn that easily. This will be a nice support. Once broken, becomes resistance on the way back up again. Around the 88 or 20 number, 88.14.20 area will be great resistance. 88.40 also. So for just drawing these in intraday, I would watch out for these numbers. And here, the high, of course, at the round number of 89 will be spectacular resistance. Good support on the way down, of course. We still have this one left at the 87 mark. So really, still be careful in here. We've tested below now the 50 MA, right, on the 15-minute chart. We're sitting right on the 100 MA at this point, up now a little bit from this morning gap. And if you look at a 60-minute chart, we're still looking at a very, very nice move up, but still looking now for a higher swing low. See if we can get that today. If it holds, a lot of it's, again, going to be determined by the economic data that comes out. Also, Chrysler is in talks. Let me just go back here. Over bankruptcy. So the ramifications of that will be felt throughout the economy, I'm sure, as well. Lots of other news. You can digest that at Yahoo Finance. This is a great place to go. And so again, after a big move up, I think all of us here at FTV had said watch out for that. It needs a little bit more time to chew on that number before it goes higher. This could be part of that chewing process. So we'll see if we get it. It'll be a nice, interesting day to watch. It is a Friday, going into a weekend. So again, just be careful, of course, how you go long and short, and trade well. Talk to you guys around noon. I think actually D7 is going to do the noon video, so you can look forward to that. And I'll be talking to you soon. Thanks, everybody.